Hey everyone, I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be reviewing SCP-049, the Plague Doctor. Now, the Plague Doctor, this one's totally 3D printed, and the Plague Doctor is a reanimator who's trying to cure people of the pestilence. He even kills somebody with his own hands. Just one touch, and they're dead. I mean, he even shows remorse after killing the people that he killed. Heck, he even helped 096, the shy guy. And he is terrified. He's also horrified of SCP-682, the Heart Destroyer reptile. And, yeah. So, there's no articulation on him. He's totally 3D printed. But there will be another video of him soon. So, yeah, that's it for this video. So, what do you guys think about this video? Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.